Do you find yourself stuck in a loop of fixing the same problems over and over again? It's time to break the cycle and embrace a more powerful approach to learning. In this video, we'll explore how double loop learning can enhance your organization's ability to adapt and innovate, and why it's crucial for staying ahead in today's rapidly changing business landscape. If you're ready to take your learning and development to the next level, join us as we dive into the world of double loop learning. Double loop learning facilitates a break from the status quo by encouraging critical reflection on an issue. By questioning the foundations of accepted methods, thoughts, and processes, people learn to ask why. Ultimately, this process encourages change. Here's an overview. Organizational learning is key to success. It enables rapid problem-solving and decision-making, avoiding stagnation, and ensuring profitability. Chris Argyris and Donald Schon identified two types of learning: single loop, which maintains and improves an existing process, and double loop, which challenges the validity and function of a process, creating a significant change in an organization's operations. Double loop learning emphasizes critical thinking and testing to challenge the status quo. It involves measuring not only what people do, but also what they do not do. This helps change behaviors, methods, and ways of thinking, eventually leading to improvements in processes, plans, goals, and values. Double loop learning encourages people to go beyond their habitual views and conventional thinking. It pushes them to explore broader perspectives and envision greater possibilities, inspiring them to find creative solutions to challenges. This facilitates more effective problem-solving and results in outcome-driven innovations that bring about successful change. Organizational learning can be categorized into two: single-loop learning and double-loop learning. Let's first understand single-loop learning. This approach tackles an issue by analyzing results, considering the existing accepted approach, and proposing solutions that fit within these parameters. It strives to create improvement by using better methods. Next, we will understand double loop learning. Organizational learning that considers an issue in a critical and creative way, questioning underlying assumptions, can create innovative solutions and significant competitive advantages. There is a third loop as well. William Isaacs proposed triple loop learning, a process that requires conscious effort to recognize how one's language and actions impact the thinking and approaches of others in the organization. This learning process helps to prevent the spread of faulty views and helps foster a positive company culture. Key takeaway: double loop learning is a powerful tool for organizations that want to create positive change. It encourages critical thinking and questioning of assumptions, helping to create innovative solutions to challenges. Triple loop learning is an even more powerful tool, as it takes into account how language and actions impact the thinking of others. In the end, these advanced learning processes help organizations not only achieve solutions to problems, but also to foster positive company culture, leading to greater success. Thanks for tuning in to Weekly Concepts. We hope you're enjoying the informative content we're putting out. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.